Think about your doctor who has prescribed you with some pain medication for your arm, and you still have 15 pills left over that you're not going to use, but you want to make sure that the children in your home don't get that, maybe the pets in your home don't access it, or anyone, right, doesn't come into contact with this medication that shouldn't have it. It's not safe to flush it. It's not safe to flush it or put it down your drain. And if you toss it in the garbage can, potentially someone could access it. So a safe, responsible way to dispose of those medications would be to use one of these drug deactivation pouches, and they're really easy to use, and we offer them to the community for free. They're safe, they're convenient, they're permanent, and they're really easy to use. They're also environmentally friendly, so you don't have to worry about this being some type of toxic substance that's going to harm the environment. And so once you're going to do is once you have your medications that you're no longer using, that you want to make sure don't get into the hands or the bodies of someone that shouldn't have them, you're going to tear this pouch open and you're going to put your medication, add a little water, wait 30 seconds, and we're going to toss it. So what you're going to do is you're going to start by just tearing the pouch open. It has a perforated tear here. What you'll see inside is that there's some charcoal packs in there, okay? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a medication in here. You can put up to a bottle in this size pouch. And then you're going to add some water. And you're going to fill it halfway with warm water. All right, I think that's halfway. So I have my medication in here, I have my water in here. I am going to seal this and wait for 30 seconds. Okay. I don't know if you can capture this, but it's already starting to foam.
You can hear it.
It's doing its thing. It's doing what it's supposed to do. Once you put your pills and your water in here, there's no need to look back. You can toss it in the trash. These drug deactivation pouches are mainly for your prescription pills, your prescription liquids, so your cough medicines, things like that, and even the patches that you're prescribed sometimes. These can break those things down. These are available at the Hazel Park Police Department, which is right at the corner of 9 Mile and John R. But it is also available online. We have a form online, and if you go online and complete that form, we'll make sure you get as many of these as you need. The Hazel Park Community Coalition is a drug prevention organization that partners with the community to empower and equip families to live a drug-free lifestyle. We are a drug-free communities coalition, which means that we're funded by the federal government to push out education and resources that allow individuals to advocate for a healthier lifestyle. So that includes not just prevention, but mental and physical health and wellness as well.